Mastering the TOEFL, an overview of the test format. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the structure of the TOEFL exam. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the TOEFL test format. So whether you're just getting started or you're looking for a refresher, stay with us. The Test of English as a Foreign Language, or TOEFL, is a standardized test designed to measure the English language proficiency of non-native speakers. Used primarily by universities in English-speaking countries, the TOEFL score is a key component of many international students' application packages. The TOEFL is divided into 4 main sections. These sections mirror the fundamental skills one needs to be proficient in the English language. They are: 1. Reading. This section evaluates your ability to comprehend academic texts. You'll encounter passages and then answer questions about them. 2. Listening. Here, you'll listen to conversations and lectures, and then answer questions to test your comprehension. 3. Speaking. This section assesses your spoken English capabilities. You'll be required to express your thoughts on familiar topics and speak about tasks you've read or listened to. 4. Writing. As the name suggests, this part examines your written English skills. You'll write responses to tasks, some based on reading and listening tasks and some that are independent. Each section of the TOEFL has a specific time allocation. Reading. 60 to 80 minutes for 36 to 56 questions. Listening. 60 to 90 minutes for 34 to 51 questions. Speaking. 20 minutes for 6 tasks. Writing. 50 minutes for 2 tasks. The test, in its entirety, takes about 4 hours to complete, including a 10-minute break in the middle. It's important to manage your time effectively to ensure you complete all sections. Your score will range from 0 to 30 for each of the 4 sections. This means the total possible score is 120. Different institutions have varying score requirements, so it's important to know the minimum score your chosen institution or program requires. And that wraps up our overview of the TOEFL test format. Remember, familiarizing yourself with the test structure is the first step towards achieving a great score. Keep practicing, and you'll master the TOEFL in no time. Until next time, happy studying!